Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature BURGERBOMB franchise business package ideas. Reminder, for business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoako@gmail.com. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell button for you to be updated on our latest videos. What's in this video? Number 1, company profile. Number 2, mission. Number 3, why BURGERBOMB? Number 4, BURGERBOMB products. Number 5, franchise packages. Number 6, franchise package inclusions. Number 7, franchise procedure. And number 8, contact information. For the company profile, BURGERBOMB is owned by Explosively Delicious Incorporated. It features savory buns filled to the brim with 100% beef, creamy melted cheese, freshly sliced vegetables, and their signature sauces. Baked to golden perfection, BURGERBOMB is an explosion of flavors with every bite. BURGERBOMB is not your typical burger. It is made of fresh burger buns induced with explosively delicious flavor of Cheeseburger, Hickory BBQ and Pizza. Their mission: we aim to support aspiring business owners in establishing their own business together with our innovative and competitive food products. Why BURGERBOMB? Number 1, it has a unique concept. Number 2, all-in worry-free package. Number 3, pandemic-proof. Number 4, established since 2019. Number 5, has its own commissary that produces 500,000 bombs and counting. Number 6, more than 1,000 positive feedback. Number 7, budget-friendly menu. Number 8, presentable and quality product. And number 9, FDA-approved commissary. For the BURGERBOMB products, Cheeseburger. It is a juicy, meaty, well-seasoned ground beef topped with creamy cheese, fresh tomatoes, and onions. Crunchy sliced pickles dressed with tangy mustard and tomato ketchup. The ultimate cheeseburger experience. Hickory BBQ, crispy crumbled bacon, and creamy cheese slathered on top of juicy ground beef, then finally covered with smoky hickory barbecue sauce for that authentic barbecue taste. Pizza, tasty homemade bread slathered with savory tomato-based sauce topped with tangy and creamy cheese, well-seasoned ground beef, and of course, pepperoni. Creamy pork floss, topped with authentic pork floss and induced with their specially made cream filling that will leave sweet and salty taste in every bite. Creamy spinach, a mixture of fresh spinach and cream that is packed with their secret ingredients, makes their creamy spinach stand out. The pineapple bomb, the sweetness and sour taste of pineapple made perfect with their original recipe. The mango bomb. The mango bomb filling is made with fresh mangoes mixed with the right amount of sweetness, topped with powdered sugar made to satisfy your dessert cravings. For the franchise package, the fill-out type is worth 450,000 pesos. For the container type, it is worth 500,000 pesos. While for the mall takeout counter type, it starts at 650,000 pesos. For the franchise package inclusions, number 1, use of brand with IPO registered. Number 2, 30,000 pesos worth of initial supplies, and more. Number 3, marketing collaterals. Number 4, uniform trainings and manuals. Number 5, Grub and Food Panda assistance. Number 6, signage and decals. Number 7, 3D design and layout. Number 8, construction and beautification. Number 9, equipment. Number 10, bomb kit small wares. And number 11, grand opening assistance. For the franchise procedure, number 1, BURGERBOMB franchise introduction. Number 2, schedule for presentation via Zoom meeting, on-site meeting, or phone call. Number 3, draft contract and completion of BURGERBOMB franchise application. Number 4, schedule the time and date for contract signing. You should bring one valid ID. Number 5, collection of payment. Payment can be in cash or dated check or online bank transfer only. Number 6, ocular inspection or approval of proposed location. Number 7, branch will constructed by BURGERBOMB in-house or partner contractor. Number 8, completion of equipment and smallware. Number 9, prior to opening of a BURGERBOMB branch, franchisee and the staff must attend the standard operating procedure training, store preparation procedure, and product familiarization. Number 10, a realistic target opening date will be set. Opening date will be highly dependent on projected schedule of both parties. Number 11, your staff will be trained and accompanied for 2 days by their experienced trainer. Number 12, passing the training program is mandatory. All staff must be certified. For the contact information, you may contact BURGERBOMB Exclusively Delicious Incorporated with the address 2nd floor, Local Building, National Road, Tunasan, Muntinlupa City, Philippines. You may call them at telephone number 02-837-00759 and you can send them a message in Viber at 0917-101-4055. You can also send them an email at businesswithburgerbombph@gmail.com. You can visit their website at www.burgerbombph.com. And for their Facebook page, you can visit BURGERBOMB.ph. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of BURGERBOMB today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.